Introducing NiceHashX, the first Bitcoin conference in this part of Europe.
Welcome to Maribor. Welcome to the Bitcoin conference on the sunny side of the Alps.
Welcome. Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? That was quite the epic intro. Well done to NiceHash for setting us off on a really strong starting point. My name is Joe Nakamoto. It is my pleasure, my delight, my honor to look after you all for the next 2 days. First thing to do is to welcome you all to Slovenia's biggest Bitcoin conference ever. So please can we all give a massive round of applause to NiceHash for putting this on. Well, the energy is already here. This is fantastic. Great to see. It is incredible to see so many passionate Bitcoin advocates, so many friends, so many Bitcoiners in the room as we will take part in the next 2 days of Bitcoin education, entertainment and learning. I have a few things to share with you all before we go any further. The first thing is I've been practicing my Slovenian. So, dobro jutro. Oh, thank you, yes. Dobro jutro. That was way better than mine. And ne kupuj shikunov. Yeah? We're setting the level. As it says on the screen, my name is not Joe Hall. That guy is dead to me. I am Joe Nakamoto. That is my fiat former life. Now I come with a mustache and Bitcoin. It's much better. And to kick us off, NiceHash's journey began in 2014. Right here in Slovenia, when 2 students set out to revolutionize mining. Back then, it was a teeny tiny industry that pales in comparison to the billion-dollar behemoth that we see today. But they didn't just build a platform, they built a community. From launching their game-changing NiceHash miner in 2015 to hitting 1 million miners in 2021, and then becoming a leader in institutional mining, NiceHash has been at the forefront of making Bitcoin mining accessible for all. So a few more stats for you. They've empowered over 7.5 million people across 192 countries to mine Bitcoin, pay with Lightning, and drive forward a decentralized future. And of course, to cap it all off, they've put on NiceHashX, or NiceHash 10, for 10 years since they started their operations. A few helpful things that will guide you through the next 2 days of this Bitcoin conference. Number 1, the bar is just outside. Number 2, food will be served upstairs. Just follow the giant Bitcoin bee. And number 3, the Slovenian stage is upstairs. As I understand it, there are lots of Slovenians here, and this is awesome. There's a really big Slovenian community. So if you're looking for the Slovenian stage, follow the signs for Slovenian. Number 4, photos are okay, but do check with permission. Bitcoin is, of course, a privacy-centric technology, and we don't want to dox people that don't want to be doxed. But yes, photos are, of course, allowed at this conference. And then, number 5, was number 6, I haven't written the numbers here, you'll tell me if I've got this right. You may have noticed we are entering a historic period of Bitcoin. There are 2 countries now mining Bitcoin publicly, 1 country with Bitcoin as legal tender, and from January 2025, the orange man in the USA may do some crazy things with the orange coin. So it's really important that you guys take this seriously now, because now is either the time to act, or at least to consider Bitcoin and to think, okay, what Bitcoin can do for me, and what I can do for Bitcoin as well. Because this is a really pivotal part in Bitcoin history. That's just my little message to you guys, to get stuck in, to get involved, and to learn as much as you can while you're here. Okay, that's my little preamble done. I'm now really delighted to kick off the first talks of the day. I can see him backstage, he looks ready. So I'm thrilled to welcome the leader of NiceHash, the CEO, who has driven this incredible growth, this vision, and of course, he put together this conference today. So please join me in welcoming to the stage the CEO of NiceHash, Vladimir Hozjan.
Thank you. Welcome. Welcome to the Maribor, which is our hometown. Here are our headquarters. welcome to the conference, which we brought for you, for everyone, for the employees, for the community and everyone. So I'm happy. I'm not used to that shit. You already heard the joke about history, so this is our 10th anniversary. It all started with, I would say, one guy, NiceHashX, with his vision. With his vision that mining should be available to everyone. It should be easy and it should be for everyone. Everyone should mine. And this is how he came to the NiceHash marketplace platform where anyone can mine. This is how it started. But in that 10 years, that small garage startup company became the huge global platform. We are known on the whole globe. There's no continent that they didn't heard of us. And enabled, like we heard, millions of people entering into Bitcoins and into the mining. So 10 years is a long period. We see a lot of changes, and the pace of changes is incredible. So anyone who is in the business, it knows tomorrow we can be that as a company. And what we've seen at the beginning, they were like gamers, programmers, having a computer at home and mining. Yeah. And some guys, those entrepreneurs, they bought several cards, graphic cards, yeah, to mine more. And after a few years, some of those guys bought more machines. In 5-6 years, from the beginning, we saw farms big. We couldn't believe it, had 20 machines. Big enough. After a few years, some of those guys start buying more and more. So what we see today are massive, huge halls full of the machines. 1,000, 10,000 machines running. So we've seen in 10 years evolution of the whole industry. In the classical way, you see this in, I don't know, let's go to the iron. It needed like thousands of years. But digital way is massive, and you need always to be prepared to the changes. Okay, this is about the past. Let's talk about the future. So, nowadays what we see, politicians are talking about Bitcoin, what they should do with that. That's amazing. 2 years ago, if someone would told me that, yeah, American elections would be about Bitcoin, don't joke me. Now, what we also see, some big guys with a lot of money investing in mining operations. It's a totally different story that it was like 10, 2 years ago. So, now we are moving forward. Also, the states are aware of mining because of the energy consumption and because of the importance of Bitcoin. So, I think the next, this is post-industry stage, now they will put a lot of rules that we would not like it. Okay, I hope on this conference that you will learn something, that you stay, for those who want, that you stay inspired, motivated, for using Bitcoin, to spreading the word about Bitcoins, to know the whole world that the Bitcoin is real stuff, that everyone should use it so that our politicians who want to put all the rules to us, they cannot frame us into the financial box that we are free, financially free. And, okay, enough talking. It's time to close it. First of all, I would like to thank the owners. That they had a vision, that they have believed in the Bitcoin, into the company, into the employees. I would like to thank all the employees of the NiceHash company. I know they are, you will see them. I really thank them, all of them, for the hard work, for the sleepless nights, for the worries, and for everything. And last, to all the audience, all of you who came, for the community, who is with us all those years, who believed in Bitcoin and we built everything together. So please take most of this conference, enjoy yourself, and enjoy the conference. Thank you.